These are the new headlights we made for the arrma Mojave. This is for the mini version, the 118 scale. Basically, it's the same as the big one. You just have to, let me here show you. These are the headlights. Like so. We have the light that you insert right in the back. And as you can see, the lenses and everything is pre-built, fused together. Basically impossible to break it. You have to just trim all the way around the stock decals. And that's what we are gonna do now. Okay, we did it on this side. It's a little bit crooked. But just take your time. If you don't know how to do this, you can always bring it to your local hobby shop. They do this all the time and they will do it for you. But that's pretty much all you have to do. Just make a little hole in the body, insert the headlights, and you're good to go.